The problem is we want something, but our energy is fractaled off. So this is the concept that I really want you guys to get, energetic containers, okay? And the way it works is if you are at a high vibration and all of your energy is pointed into one potent container, you're gonna get it fast. But the problem is we want something, but our energy is fractaled off, right? Give you an example. If I say, where's your dream vacation do you want to travel to, right? You have something that pops into your mind. But when I tell you, hey, go there in the next 30 to 90 days, what does your mental chatter say? That's how you figure out that your energy is fractaled. Oh, I want to go to France or Hawaii or Bora Bora. Okay, go there in 90 days. Well, I gotta get time off. Oh, well, I've got to save. Oh, like, I've got so many commitments, all those different things. So you're saying, hey, here's what I want. But manifesting wise, I'm gonna get 20%. Oh, I don't have the money. 20%. Oh, I don't have the time. So you're leaving like 5 or 10% to that which you want. And most of your manifestation energy goes to what you don't want. Therefore, it doesn't happen, right? Because you gotta understand the power of energy focused, power of energy being potent, and what container it goes to.